For this video, we'll go over how to put in receipt expenses into our Google Sheet from our Google Doc. So when you open up the expenses Google Doc, up top you'll see the key, O equals office, M equals meal, so on and so forth. And as you scroll down, you'll get to our receipts. Once you get to a receipt, you'll see up on the top of the receipt the code, and that's going to tell you where that receipt belongs in the Google Sheet. So you'll see this one says office, and the total was $21.24, and then you can find the date also on the receipt. They'll be in various locations. You're then going to take that information into our Google Sheet, scroll all the way over to where it says expenses, and you can put a new line in to put it in. So we'll put in our date, the amount, and then the store name where it came from. So date, amount, store name where it came from. And then after all the information's put in, you can delete the picture out of the Google Doc. If you're scrolling and you come across a receipt that only has a certain field circled, that's the amount that you'll put in, because that is the only item on that receipt that's considered an expense. So for this one, for example, it's coded O for office, and you'd be putting in $14.99 in the amount column.